So, hi guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa Solvang.
Hello.
Ate Virginia here. And of course, our driver. The free Uber. Yeah, so guys. So, yan. So, it's a Danish country. Ang ganda, di ba? Okay guys, so simulan na ang tour natin. Halika na, Aling Virginia. Do you wanna go this way first? Because we have a lot of things to... Oh my god. I was recording.
Yeah, it's fun. It's definitely fun to get through it.
Walang trabaho si... 4 days lang ako mag-work. Okay lang naman. Like the front. So there you guys. We're in Denmark. Welcome to Denmark.
You can easily tell because all the white people.
So is it here, honey?
She said,
Go look for the visitor center so we can ride the trolley. Hey, madam, turistang-turista ka. Ayan. So yeah guys. Ayan. Ang cute-cute na mga store nila dito. Para kang nasa Denmark, of course. There you go, there's a shop. That's one of my favorite store here. It looks so nice. I love it.
What is there?
Yeah, ang ganda niya, no? Yung bahay, yung parang...
Yung bahay, yeah.
I love it.
what, two workers?
Yeah. If I'm gonna have a house, I wanted to have...
Yung gulay pa nga.
So look at that. So where's the... So this is the gallery where I bought my sister's paso. Lion Pig Vineyard. Look at that. Can we just ride on that one? So we're trying to ride for a trolley, but this is a lot cooler. Look at that. So we're in Solvang and we're riding
The Solvang
trolley.
trolley, not
Trolley.
trolley.
Trolley. And it's like, this is like, Daddy, I want this. Daddy. I love those dolls. See? Oh my god. Those are pretty dolls. Love to collect those, but